Okay, our forms are not going to be so simple that they're all going to be text inputs. We are going to have different types of fields, and the next one we'll take a look at is the text area. And what we'll do, we'll just go across to Solution Explorer, and inside the form folder we'll create a new file, and we'll just call this one my text area.tsx and press return. Now this is where we engage lazy mode, and lazy mode means going to our text inputs, saying Control A, Control C, going to my text area, and Control V. And then we just swap the title of my text inputs to my text area, the name of the function, and because it's a text area, we need an additional property, so we're going to have rows, which is going to be of type number. And then the label can stay the same, but the input can be changed to text area. And now we have a text area input. It's as simple as that. And what we'll do, we'll just go back to our activity form. And of course, we'll change my text area or my text input to my text area. And we'll just specify a number of rows and set this equal to 3. And if we go back and take a look at our form, just like that, we now have a reusable text area input, and we can type into this, of course, and we can have multiple rows, etc. Not the most challenging lesson in this course, I admit. But what we'll take a look at next is slightly more complicated because we'll create a select input for our category.